Yeah, for real, look, you gotta know I want you. I'm tryna be better than making calls, just gun tucked in my letterman. Pack it up on this avenue. You know what I had to do was selling a pack of two. The money was all there, wasn't a fortune. Tenants talking eviction, she stepping all on our doorstep. So I be bummy and scummy through wires and fire. You know I be on it for us. Shorty, when I'm in that there, I'ma win that there. I wear a king struggle till I'm sitting in that chair. Yeah, so just promise that you never forget me. And when you see me, you better accept me. Remember the crew, and it's no one better. Used to show up at your house in that Shogun leather. Used to push a Honda Accord in the 01 weather. Now me and you in that race.
Tata.tv